In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet on your PC or laptop, ensuring you can effortlessly conduct or join meetings like a pro. Let's get started by navigating to the Google Meet platform. Essentially, you can either open the Google Meet app directly on your computer, or use your web browser to visit meet.google.com. It's really user-friendly and very accessible from either the app or a browser. Once you've opened Google Meet, if you're looking to join an existing meeting, simply click on Join a Meeting. You will then need to enter the meeting code or the meeting link that the organizer has provided. This could come in the form of an email invitation or a link shared through a messaging application. After you've got that sorted out, click Join Now to jump into the meeting room. Now, if you're interested in starting your own meeting, Google Meet makes that easy too. First, click on New Meeting. Doing so will generate a unique meeting link. You'll want to copy this link and share it with the people you wish to invite. Simply send it via email or a messaging app, whatever works best for your group. Once your invitees have the link, you can click Join Now and begin your meeting. For those of you who prefer scheduling meetings in advance, Google Meet offers a straightforward way to do this. Head over to Google Meet and click on New Meeting once again. This time, choose the option to schedule in Google Calendar. You'll be prompted to fill out the meeting details, including the title, date, time, and any additional notes you might have for your participants. When you're finished, click Save to store these details. Alternatively, you can schedule a Google Meet directly from Google Calendar. Start by opening Google Calendar and clicking Create. Enter the event's title, the date, and the time you have in mind. You can add guests by clicking Add Guests and typing in their names or email addresses. Make sure to click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing to create your meeting link. Once all the details are in place, click Save and then Send to notify your guests via email so they're fully aware of the upcoming meeting. Once you're in a Google Meet session, there are several important features to keep in mind. You have audio and video controls located conveniently at the bottom of the screen, allowing you to mute your microphone or turn off your camera whenever needed. For presentations, use the share screen option to display your entire desktop or select a specific window or tab. Also, there's an in-meeting chat feature where you can send text messages to other participants. Lastly, you can view a list of participants to manage who's currently in the meeting and see their status, such as whether their audio or video is on or off. And there you have it, the complete guide to using Google Meet on your PC or laptop. I hope this guide makes you feel more confident in managing your Google Meet sessions. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.